Okay, everybody, and welcome back to Andrew's Lumber. Today we're sawing a mystery log. We about think it's a maple, but it's a curled up, knotty, just rough looking. It's got a hole in it on the end here. It looks like the thing's got poison oak, and it's it's a bad log, but hopefully it'll make some really pretty stuff. We're hoping so.
Yeah, I think it'll be pretty inside.
Yeah. But before that, a company, High Sea, sent us some footwear. And they're good boots. We've been wearing them. They're nice. They keep the water out. They're dry. They're nice. They're warm. They do good. Good for the rain, snow, everything.
It's about 25 degrees there this morning. I have mine on. My feet just warm as toast.
They are. Lifetime warranty. Great. They give you a little registration card if you have any problems. Lifetime warranty. And better yet, I'll link the description. I'll link their website in the description of this video. And if you go and at checkout, if you use the promo code Andrew15, I'll put that in the description too. But use the promo code Andrew15 for 15% off. So that's just better yet.
Yeah, dry pair.
Dry pair. They're good boots. We've been really happy with them. We've worn them a little while, and they're good. So, and that's that. But back to the log there. We're gonna show you the log, and before we saw it, and I'm gonna saw it pretty slow. I'm pretty sure it come out of a yard, Summers. We hit it with the metal detector. It didn't talk to us. That's a good sign, but I'm still a little weary. It just, you know how it goes, but I don't know. My feed speed's gonna be a little slow. I'm a sawing. Dad's off bearing. We got our cameraman today. Try to get y'all some good angles of it. We'll just see how it goes.
Try it and see.
That's right. So we'll catch you in a few minutes. Okay, everybody. We don't know if you can see the end there too good or not, but it's got some worm streaks in it, it looks like. I think it might be a little wormy. But right here we got us a hole. So I don't know how far that'll go into it, but it's just got all these little old bumps and knots and stuff. It's not a pretty log at all. I don't know. There's just what it looks like all the way down through there. Rough, just twisted up, I don't know, but maybe it'll put out some really pretty stuff, hopefully. Well, everybody, that turned out pretty.
Yeah, that's what I was hoping that'd look like.
That's
some pretty stuff.
I have never saw the maple that pretty.
Yeah.
That is something else.
That is really pretty. That's a nice.
That is.
Nice figure, nice places in it. Really looks good.
Yeah.
Yep.
We was the sawing, we done a lot of talking to each other. You know, we didn't know exactly what we wanted to saw out of it. We done a lot of hand signals. No, we just tried to see what we could do for the best. But anyway, that turned out really pretty. And
yeah, good.
It did, but yeah, I reckon that's it for this video.
Yeah, don't forget to order your boots.
Yeah.
I see. Right. We'll put that in there.
See. Andrew 15% off.
Get you a pair of boots.
Lifetime warranty.
Yep.
Good boots. And I hate to see this video end, but all good things come to an end. So we'll see you